Okay, hi guys. A couple of people asked me to make a few videos, so I just thought I'd do most of the finance unit really. So we're looking at how to use the compound interest formula. So I'll start off by writing it out. That'd be handy. So A is equal to P1 plus our rate over 100, and then N up the top here. Now, this is not times N, it's actually raised to the power of N. Technically speaking, while the majority of the questions it will be time, it's actually the amount of times we're going to compound this particular investment. So let's just go through the letters. So A, of course, means the amount. So it's how much you will have inside your account at the end. Now, it includes both your interest plus your principal. P, of course, being principal. So how much you get. Now, I'll probably spell this wrong, but I apologise if you want to correct it. Make it right video. No, I'm kidding. So P is the principal, and it's generally the money that we're going to find in an at standard question as it is. R, of course, is our rate, expressed as a percentage, which of course is why we have the divide by 100 in the formula. And N, of course, being, I'm going to write time, but then I'm going to put a slash, and the amount that we actually compound. Okay, so let's look at a stock standard question. So basically, let's say that we're going to invest $3,000. So let's go. You invest $3,000 at a rate of 7% per annum, which of course means per year, for a period of 4 years. So, as I said, the way that I like to look at it is if I've got a percent here, then I know that that's going to be our R. If I've got a money sign here, then I know that this is going to be the P in our question. This is going to be the R in our question. And I know that this down here is going to be, of course, our N. So, I've got my calculator here that I can work out, but first I've probably got to put everything into this particular formula. So, I'm going to go A is equal to P, which is 3,000, bracket 1 plus 7 over 100 raised to the power of 4. So, okay, I've done the decoding part. So what I'm really going to have to do now is to put these particular values into my calculator. So I'll bring it in here, so hopefully we can see it, and I'll turn it on. Always a good start. So 3,000, I'm going to add my bracket. I'm going to go 1 plus, now what was our rate? 7%. Okay, so 7 divided by 100. I'm going to close my bracket. Now, I'm going to look for this symbol here, this little up arrow, I suppose. It'll be different on other calculators. Sometimes it's X to the Y or Y to the X. I'm going to press that button, but each time you can see, no matter which one it is, you will get this little upper triangle sitting here. And of course, our time period, or the amount of times we're going to compound this, of course, is 4 years. We press our equals button, and there's our answer. So, 39323. Sorry, I need to put my decimal point there, don't I? Yep. And then I'm just looking here to make sure I round. So I've got an 8 and an 8, so I'm going to round that up to 9. So this 8 makes the other 8 round up to 9. And of course, that is our answer. So we have got from that investment, $3,932.39, but our actual interest is $932.39. And I got that, of course, because we already had $3,000, didn't we? So this 3,000 here is actually our money. I'd be very disappointed if I gave $3,000 to the bank and I came back 4 years and they gave me $932.39. So that is how you use the compound interest formula. Probably the big thing is being able to actually decode this particular word in question, and of course the actual calculator skills to making sure that we're putting in or dealing with this button just here. Okay, so if you need anything more, feel free to contact me or come back to school on Monday and just tell me if there's anything else you would like me to do around this particular topic. Thanks for watching, guys.